The Wolf and the Dug. Ae day a wolf met wi' a dug, to talk as old friends day, about this and about that, about what fate had cast their way. The wolf was fair discontent, he wasna happy wi' his lot. Aye, it's hard life in the wild, and ye starve mair often than not. The dug wisely shook his head. You should just come hame wi' me. I've a kennel, shelter for the wind, and all my meals are free. Sounds good, I'll come along. But hang on, bide a wee. What is yon bare patch on your neck? I can plainly see. Och, that is where the collar goes, when they tie us up at night. Collar? Tied up? Wolfie said. Aye, that'll be richt. I'll just awa back to the woods, though it means an early grave. I'd rather starve at liberty than die a weel-fed slave.